Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Ford Expedition steering wheel. First, find the adjustment lever located directly beneath the steering column. Pull this lever firmly downwards to unlock the steering wheel's position. Once unlocked, you can freely move the wheel up, down, forward, or backward to achieve your desired driving comfort. When you're satisfied, push the lever back up to lock the steering wheel securely in place. For those with a power-adjustable steering column, the process is even simpler. Look for a small control switch, typically found on the side of the steering column itself. This switch allows you to electronically move the steering wheel. Simply press the switch forward, backward, up, or down to fine-tune your position without needing a manual lever. It offers precise and effortless adjustments. Did you know your Ford Expedition might remember your preferred steering wheel position? If your vehicle has memory seat features, you can link your steering wheel's setting to your personalized memory preset. After adjusting the wheel and seat to your liking, simply press the Set button, then immediately press your desired memory button, like 1 or 2. This saves your perfect setup for easy recall. Finding the optimal steering wheel position is crucial for both comfort and safety during your drives. Always ensure you have a slight bend in your elbows and knees, allowing for full control and reducing fatigue on longer journeys. A properly adjusted steering wheel also ensures clear visibility of your instrument cluster. For more ways to improve your life, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.